All right. Uh, I'm trying to experiment with HTML sketch canvas. Let me first open a browser. I search for HTML canvas sketch. HTML canvas drawing. HTML canvas sketch. HTML canvas. Okay, let's see what it says. HTML draw on canvas. Okay, this gives me the normal how to have canvas within HTML, but what I'm looking for is something called canvas sketch. Canvas sketch. Yeah. Yes. I think this is the GitHub repo that I was looking for. It's a loose collection of tools, modules, and resources for creating generative art in JavaScript on the browser. Wow, this is interesting. Ah, okay. We can create all of this. What we need is we need to install Node.js and npm. Okay, I already have those things. Let's open terminal. I have the terminal opened and the code editor that I will be using is Visual Studio. Okay, that it also I have. Let me keep that in minimized. In the terminal, let me point to the folder that I can work with. Um, okay, my experiments. No, I have a folder in the downloads. Let me see what is that. My experiments with this is my experiments with. Okay, inside that. Okay, so inside this, let me see JavaScript. JavaScript. I'm just closing this folder. Okay, now my terminal is pointing to the right file. Let me create a new Canvas sketch file. How to do it is uh, the code is npx canvas sketch cli. Then the file name. Let me give some interesting file name. The file name can be MEW, my experiments with JS. Let's follow the camel case. JS 01 or maybe JavaScript. 01.js. Okay, new because I want to create a new file. Open because I want the output of the canvas to be open. We see what happens. Oh, because the new folder, so it's installing all the dependencies. All right, now see the output. Okay, so let's go back to the terminal and see what is happening. In the terminal, you see this IP. You can just take this IP and then go to this browser and we just click. This is interesting. We see a canvas, but we see it of a definitive size. So what is happening? On JavaScript, let me open the folder in which we have the code. So this is my experiments with JavaScript. And yeah, like, okay, now I see it. It specifies the canvas size is 2048 by 2048. Maybe make it 1024 by 1024. This is interesting. I can, and automatically I can see the output here. I don't need to refresh, nothing. Now my canvas size is this. Yeah, we can actually go here and check. If you see on inspect, my canvas sketch file is size is 1024, 1024. This is interesting. Nice. And this is the default code that we get. So what it is saying is it's calling the canvas sketch file. This is the dimension, and then it is returning. So it's the function. The fill style to the canvas is white. Okay, fill rect. It's creating a rectangle of for the canvas. This width and height corresponds to the width and height of the dimension that we're providing on the top. The 0, 0 is the coordinate or the starting coordinate. In our case, this is the top left corner. It's always the case. Hmm. Okay, now we have a sketch file uh, created. Okay, so let's try to change just the color of the canvas. What if I make it black? I just want to see if I write black in capital, will it work? Oh, yes, interesting. It works. Let me see if I write it in all caps. Will it work? Yes, it works. Beige. I don't know what the spelling of beige, but let's see all smalls. Wow, this also works. Hmm, good. Thank you. So now we have created a canvas sketch file. Yes, I learned how to create a canvas sketch file. Great.